What's up geeks and welcome back to iGeeksblog, and in today's video we will gonna unbox iPhone 16 Pro and that too Desert Titanium. Okay, so this is the box of iPhone 16 Pro and that too Desert Titanium. I've already opened the seal of it. Now let's see what do you get inside the box. So here is our iPhone 16 Pro Desert Titanium, charging cable, that to Type-C to Type-C, SIM ejector tool and documentation, and this time no stickers from Apple. So let me just keep all these things away for a minute and let me just remove it, and it looks really good in my opinion. The color is quite difficult to catch on camera, but it is somewhat similar to rose gold, which was introduced by Apple later in the days. And now let me just turn it on and I'll see you when I set this up. Now let's just open it, and as you can see it is quite smooth in my opinion. And now let's go into this setting first. General, iPhone storage. Well, this is the 256GB model, and as you can see I haven't installed any extra apps, and the free amount of storage you get is 236.99 GB. Well, it is quite handy, it is quite light compared to iPhone 16, and as you can see it is a bit larger as well, because this time Apple has bumped up the screen size of iPhone 16 Pro from 6.1 inch to 6.3 inches. And let me just compare it with iPhone 15 Pro Max, and as you can see the size difference is quite minimal in my opinion. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comments section. And if I just talk about ergonomics, it feels quite good. And over here you get a microphone and speaker grill, and of course you get the Type-C port. Over here you have SIM tray as well as volume rockers, action button and power button. The new camera control, I don't know if I should say button or not, but yeah, this is what it is. Over here you will have earpiece, dynamic island. Of course, one thing I have noticed with this particular model, this particular color, is that it is a fingerprint magnet on the chassis, because it is made up of titanium. I don't know why it is catching a lot of fingerprint compared to the older generation of iPhone 15 Pro. As you can see, the fingerprints are quite less compared to iPhone 16 Pro, because it is catching a lot of fingerprints. Well, the iPhone 16 Pro houses a brand new A18 Pro chip, which is quite capable in my opinion, can play ray tracing games on your iPhone natively and performs really good. And this will support Apple Intelligence, that is needless to say, of course. Otherwise, the phone is quite handy and ergonomically built. 6.3 inch size is my favorite, because I think 6.1 inch is a bit smaller, but when you compare it with 6.3 inches, it is quite perfect in my opinion. What do you think about it? Do let me know in the comment section as well. So we will gonna compare iPhone 16 Pro and 15 Pro Max, and we'll let you know should you upgrade if you already have iPhone 15 Pro series, or you should keep whatever you have already. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you get notified about that particular video. And if you want me to compare iPhone 16 Pro to other models, do let me know in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to do that. And meanwhile, you can go to the App Store, download iGeeksblog app, enjoy everything Apple content, amazing wallpapers for your brand new iPhone, I can vouch for. And of course, meanwhile, make sure you stay connected with iGeeksblog. And on this note, this is me Samir signing off. I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye.